Hi guys, welcome back into another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start anything that won't start, like a riding lawnmower or a four-wheeler or anything like that. First thing you want to check is gas. Then you want to check the battery, make sure everything's super tight, everything's just right. Still won't start. I'm going to bring you down here. There should be a spark plug. It's going to look like something like this. It's going to have a little coil or a cover on it. And if it's not on there all the way, you just want to push it in. If you hear a little click, you're good. Check the other side. Click. All right. Still won't start. I'm going to bring you over here to the starter. Right up in here is the starter. You want to make sure all these little wires are nice and snug onto where they're supposed to go.